If I had 1 million Kenya shillings today to invest, this is what I would do. First, 250,000 Kenya shillings is going to a money market fund. My second investment, I would take 450,000 Kenya shillings and put it in a special fund. Our next investment, we are putting 100,000 Kenya shillings, and this is going to go to an infrastructure bond. Our next investment, or our next 100,000 Kenya shillings, we are putting these in shares and also in ETFs. To our second last investment, where I'll be putting 50,000 Kenya shillings, and you're putting this money into cryptocurrencies. To our last and the most important investment we are making from these 1 million Kenya shillings, we are allocating the remaining 50,000 Kenya shillings to this one, and this goes to investing on myself. Now, I'm really curious. What do you think about this strategy? Please don't leave without giving me your feedback. And how would you invest your 1 million Kenya shillings if you just had 1 million to invest? Would you go heavier on crypto, on shares, on ETFs, or personal improvement, buy a land, double in your maybe in your business? Business people in the house, how would you diversify your investment? Let me know in the comment section. And